Hello, super students. It's me, Ms. Hall, and welcome back to another day of Sounds and Words. Hello, friends. Hopped in to see you today. It's me, Rosa Rabbit. Hey, Rosa, I'm so glad you're here. Thanks for joining in with us, everybody. Rosa, will you please read the learning target with the students? Okay, let's hear it, everybody. I can identify specific sounds in words. Great job, everyone. Our first activity is going to be give me 5 rhyming words. I'm going to say a word. You're going to try to come up with 5 words that rhyme with my word. Are you ready to give it a try? Okay. Here's our word. Bake. Can you come up with 5 words that rhyme with bake? What rhymes with bake? Just change the first sound. Yes, Rosa? I'm ready with my words. All right, students, listen and see if any of your words match Rosa's words. Let's hear your words that rhyme with bake, Rosa. Give me 5. Take, rake, make, cake, snake. Great job. Did any of you come up with some of the same words? Fantastic job making rhyming words, everybody. For our next activity, I'm going to say 2 words. You're going to identify whether or not those words have the same first sounds. If they have the same first sounds, put your hands in the air. If they don't, we're going to shake our heads no. Listen carefully, everyone. Slam, slip. Do they have the same first sounds? Yes, they do. So, great job. Stop, flip. Do they start with the same sounds? No, they don't. Blue, black. Do they start with the same first sounds? Yes, they do. Blue. Listen to one more set of words. Play, free. Do they start with the same first sounds? No, they don't. Great job determining whether or not 2 words start with the same first sounds. Now it's time for us to get our choppers out. Rosa and I are going to chop all the sounds in a word. When Rosa does this, you're going to put those sounds together and say what the word is. Listen carefully, everybody. B-O-A-K. Black. K-O-A-M. Clam. F-O-A-G. Flag. Let's do one more word. G-O-A-D. Glad. Great job putting all the sounds in a word together to make the word. Now for our next activity, we're going to identify the middle sound we hear in words. I'll say a word. Rosa's going to hop up during the middle sound. You're going to listen and watch and then say what that middle sound is. You ready for this one, Rosa? Oh, I love to hop. I bet you do. Listen carefully, everyone. S. What's the middle sound? That's right. Clock. What's the middle sound? Oh, good job. Glad. What's the middle sound? That's right. Can you do one more, Rosa? All right, here it goes. Plum. What's the middle sound? Oh, that's right. Awesome job identifying the middle sound here in words. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out. I'm going to say a word. You'll repeat the word and then chop all the sounds you hear in the word. Listen carefully, friends. Say flip. Now chop, flip. O-I-P. Say glide. Now chop, glide. G-O-I-D. Say play. Now chop, play. P-O-A. Let's do one more word. Say sleep. Now chop, sleep. S-O-E-P. Great job breaking a word down into all of its sounds. Now for our next activity, we're going to start with a word. I'll tell you the first sounds to change. And when Rosa does this, when Rosa does that, you're going to say what our new word is. Are you ready? All right, listen carefully. Say clap. Change full to full. Flap. Say flap. Change full to full. Slap. Say slap. Change full to sn. Snap. Let's do one more. Say snap. Change sn to tur. Trap. Great job changing the first sound in words to make a new word, super students. You did do a great job. Now for our next activity, we're going to start with the ending chunk or rhyme of a word. I'll tell you the first sound to add, and when Rosa does this, you're going to say what our word is. Here we go. Say lamp. Add p. Plant. Say late. Add s. Slate. Say less. Add b. Bless. Say lass. Add k. Class. Great job starting with the rhyme of a word, adding a first sound, and saying what our word is. Is everyone ready for our last activity? Ready! We're going to start with a word. I'll tell you the first sound to take away. And when Rosa does this, you're going to say part of the word that's left. Are you ready? Here we go. Say blonde. Say it without b. Blonde. Say clock. Say it without k. Lock. Say fly. Say it without f. Lie. Say glove. Say it without g. Love. And I love coming to join you, students. I love it too. It's time for me to hop along now. Super job. Saying sounds and words, everybody. We'll see you all again next time. Have a great day.